In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete pages in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working on a presentation, a report, or any other type of document, removing unnecessary pages can help streamline your PDF and make it more concise. Let's dive right in and see how this is done. First, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. You'll want to make sure you're using a version that supports editing, such as Acrobat Standard DC or Acrobat Pro DC, as some features may not be available in Adobe Reader. Once your document is open, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find the All Tools pane. Scroll through this list and select the Organize Pages option. This feature is specifically designed to help you manage the pages within your PDF, allowing you to rearrange, rotate, and of course, delete pages. Now, after you've clicked on Organize Pages, you should see a thumbnail view of all the pages in your PDF. This makes it easy to visually identify which pages you want to remove. To select a single page, simply click on its thumbnail. If you realize you need to delete multiple pages, there's an easy way to do that too. On a Windows computer, hold down the Control key while clicking on each additional page you wish to select. For Mac users, hold down the CMD key instead. This multi-selection is a handy feature if you have several pages to remove at once. Once you have your selections, it's time to delete those unwanted pages. Look up to the top toolbar and you'll notice a trash can icon. This is your delete button. Go ahead and click on it. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press the delete key on your keyboard to achieve the same result. Either method will effectively mark the selected pages for deletion. After you hit delete, a confirmation dialog box will appear. This step is crucial as it ensures you don't accidentally remove pages you meant to keep. In this dialog box, you'll see an OK button. Clicking OK will finalize the deletion process. If you have any second thoughts, this is also your last chance to cancel and return to the document as it was. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted pages from your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. As you've seen, the process is straightforward and can really help in tidying up your PDFs. Remember to save your document after making these changes to ensure your edits are preserved. I hope this tutorial was helpful and gives you a clearer understanding of how to manage your PDF pages efficiently. If you found this guide useful, consider checking out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching and see you next time.